So again, good evening to all my English learners friend. How you all? I hope you all are fine and I am also good. So my name is Abhishek Dikshit and I am pursuing LLB. It is my third semester and so how was your practice is running? I hope you all are doing practice in a good way. So in my every video I said do practice every day but practice make us perfect in anything. When we start doing anything, if we are not doing practice, so we can't make perfect in that field. So I always suggest you do practice in at least in every day. Do practice, okay? Try to speak anyhow, but Try to speak anyhow in 5 to 10 sentences in a day, okay? So in this video, I am going to tell you how practice make us perfect in anything, in any language, okay, in any subject. How practice make us perfect in anything, okay? Because I always say, do practice. How practice help us? Practice is more necessary. We somewhere all know very well. Because when we start doing anything, okay, when we start learn any subject in any mathematics in any reasoning subject, but if we are not doing practice in those subjects, so we can't become perfect in those subjects, okay. So that's why I always suggest to do practice every day. So in this video I am going to discuss with you do practice every day. How practice, I am going to tell you how practice make us perfect, okay. Because our English speaking series is running and day by day somewhere we get good result. And when I ask my friend, they just said me yes, while watching this video they really get some benefit, okay. And they are really doing a good practice in a good way. How practice make us perfect? There are many English learners, they understand English easily, okay. They listen, when they listen anything then they understand English easily, okay. When they read anything they write in a good way, but they are unable to speak English. Why they are unable to speak English? Because they are not doing practice. If they are not doing practice, then they can't get 1% result. If they are not doing practice, then they can't see improvement in their self. Because practice make us perfect in anything, in any subject, okay. That's why I always suggest you, my friend, do practice at least speak 5 to 10 sentences in a day. It's not take you too much time. It's never takes you too much time. Okay, if you speaking 5 to 10 sentences, so how much time it's take? Around 2 3 minutes. How much busy you are, it doesn't matter. But in any person, in if you are really living in a student life, so you have, I think there are a lots of students, they are somewhere watching reels, they are wasting their times in watching reels, they are scrolling reels. So everyone has a time to 5 to 10 minutes. Do practice, speak in anyhow speak at least 5 to 10 sentence, okay. And try to do what you are doing in Hindi, try to do in English. You are watching movie in Hindi, then try to watch movie in English, okay. And what you are doing, do in English. If you are talking with anyone, try to talk in English. If you are thinking anything, then try to think in English. Because now you are learning a language in English. Hindi is a language, English also is a language. So if you really want to make a good command in English language, then you have to speak, you have to give time, okay. You have to do practice. If you are not doing these things, then you can't achieve anything, okay. Because if you watching my video, then you understand easily. But how you learn speaking English? If you really want to speak, then you have to speak, okay. And really you have to do practice. Why I said practice make us perfect? Because just suppose there are many students, they are doing a study, they are just suppose they are preparing in any competitive exam. So syllabus is different, but when we comes on a field, that knowledge is totally different. Just suppose I am pursuing LLB, so my syllabus subject somewhere my syllabus and syllabus knowledge is somewhere different. When I goes in code and find the and see the result, really when we are working on a field, then result is somewhere in a different way. So when I start doing practice, then I get really good knowledge. Okay, that's why I always suggest you do practice. There are a lots of mathematics student. Okay, mathematics student, they are solving sums, they are solving subtraction, they are solving maths. Okay, but how they become a perfect in that subject? While practicing, only while practicing. If they are not practicing in math, they are not practicing in reasoning, if they are not practicing in any subject, then they can't achieve anything. Same things happen with English. And in speaking, it is mostly important to speak, to do practice, because practice make us perfect. So when I goes in a really go when I start doing work on a field, when I start doing work on a code, and when I start doing work with practical, then I really found good knowledge, see and then I see the result. Then I see the difference between subject knowledge and really practical knowledge, because practical knowledge is always different with our subjectical knowledge. That's why I always suggest you, if you watching anything, then try to watch in English. If you are doing anything, then try to do in English, and try to think in English. Try to start thinking in English and do practice every day. Really you want to speak, then you have to do practice. That's why I always suggest to practice make us perfect. So now I hope we discuss enough, and if you really get some knowledge while watching my video, then please like this video. Okay, and do practice, at least please do practice every day, and try to speak in English. Don't think about in society. Try to remove your fear with English, what fear you have. Okay, so I hope you really get some knowledge while watching my video. So again, I suggest all my English learners, I am also learners, I am not perfect in English, I am also doing practice every day. Okay, I am also doing practice every day. So again, I suggest all my English learners, if you really make good command English in English language, then do practice every day. At least speak 5 to 10 sentences in a day, and don't think about in society, and don't talk with those are really fluent in English. Just talk with those are also learners, because when you start talking those are fluent in English, then somewhere you feel demotivized, because because you can't feel happy. They are perfect in English, but you are still English learners. So don't talk with those are really perfect in English. Okay, those are fluent in English. So I hope you really like this section, you really like this video, then please like this video, and if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, so thanks to all. Again, I suggest to do practice every day. Thank you. Thanks my all English learners.